Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientrix CRM Consulting and welcome back to the another video. So in today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of Zoho Workdrive and also some overview of its notifications and stuff. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see, we are in Zoho Workdrive. So I'll just give you a little overview of all the things which are listed here. So first of all, like these are the all updates. So it will just show you the all the documents and stuff like which you haven't read because I just recently installed this Zoho Workdrive into this system. So because due to this we haven't don't have any documents, so we will do it in our next video. But today I'll just give an overview. So this goes for all unread documents and also like recent files. Like for example, you have checked any files recently, so that you can access through here, and any favorite documents, like you can simply just mark any folder as or document as your favorite. For example, here, like through this you can just simply add it as a favorite and then you will be able to see it here. So this is also one of the things which you can do. And next goes for label. Like for example, you can create any labeling and all that stuff in Zoho Workdrive in order to manage your documents better. And the next is shared with me. So if for example any of your teammate or any other users of Workdrive, if maybe has shared any kind of document with you, so you can see it through this function. And the next one is collect files, so we will jump on that later. And the next is my folder, so anything which you have created for yourself, which will be, it can be listed here. So it won't be able to any other people won't be able to see it. It will be just for you, as it is your folder. And the next one is the team folders. So a team folder is something in which you which will be shared with the whole team. So any document which you put it can be shared with the whole team, so whole team can access it, or you can give access to any particular people. So on the team folders, we have right now two team folders. Like one is general and second one is also a team folder name. I think I might have created it for some reason, but yeah. So here you can see right now there's only one member, but you can always add new members in here and give them the access of these team folders. So that was regarding the overview of all the things in the work drive. And you can you can keep on creating new team folders like how you want it to be. So yeah, that's also one thing. So now then let's jump on to notifications. Like I'll say first general settings. So here you can it just Zoho Workdrive provides you an overview of if you wanted to list it, view how you wanted to view it, thumbnail, list, compact, like how you wanted to sort your documents, like landing locations, folder listing, etc. So these are some basic general settings. Apart from that, you can also manage your notifications. Like for example, if any file has been shared with you and you wanted to get notified for it in terms of in emails, website, or mobile, like a notification, so you can just always check and uncheck things from here, and it will work accordingly. So also this is one of a very great features. Like for example, if someone asks for any access request, so you will be also notified. So you can simply customize that, like for what things you wanted to get notified and for what things you don't want to get notified. So you can do it through here. So yeah, that was all regarding the like little overview of Zoho Work Drives and its notifications. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need guidance regarding to choose the right software solution for your business, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.